down some of these tree limbs. So now we gotta pick them up. Yeah, you know how farm you are when you're out here in your slippers and pajama pants picking up tree limbs. I'm just guiding since he's using the tractor to do it, which is so much easier. So our son bought the grappler for the tractor because he uses the tractor a lot too, and he had a lot of wood to move. And we've used our cousin's grappler before, and let me tell you, it is one of the best tools to have for your tractor. Absolutely love it. It makes it so much easier. All right, here he comes, I think, for the last load, hopefully. This one took us 4 loads, and if we had to do it manually, he's coming at me. We had to do this manually with just a bucket or a trailer and haul those suckers are heavy. So this just takes like probably 2 hours worth of work and gives us about 20 minutes. I think we've been doing this. Good job. I'll meet you at the back. Meet